Hi sir, good day po. So, we have a few questions for you po. Number one is, what does mental health mean to you personally?
Mental health, generally, it tells na hindi normal or how you react is not normal, how you think is not normal, and there's something wrong with your mental health. It is very important to talk about it because mental health issues or problems you cannot see. So you will only know, you observe, or you will hear how they speak, how they act through observation. So it's really important to talk about it so that you know what is happening or what is really inside of his head or her head. And that's why. So you will also know how you will respond, how you will take care, or how we will avoid it para to avoid it.
And why do you think many people hesitate to ask for help when they're struggling?
Siyempre, they are hesitant to ask for help because, of course, they are shy. Nahiya sila, ayaw nilang ipasabi na there's something wrong in their mind, and they also don't know what to say, and they also don't know how to act. So, hesitant sila, ayaw nilang sabihin para they want to show that they are okay. Kaya very important talaga na tanong kanina. Very important na pag-usapan at alamin. Dahil yung mga hindi na talaga sinasabi, nagugulat na lang tayo sometimes meron lang nangyari, hindi natin nasahan, doon lang natin makikita. So, to prove that, we need to talk about it.
How do social media and modern lifestyles affect mental health today?
Ayan. Actually, yung social media, very laki ng impact niyan sa mental health natin ngayon na mga tao. Kasi lahat yan nakacentralize na tayo sa social media. Sa communication, even in business, social media ginagamit, or sa friends, mga colleagues, or mga casual, no? So, very laki ng impact or ng effect niyan sa mental health. Kasi mga tao ngayon, they seek for attention. So, sa mga post nila or mga videos nila, gusto nila maraming likes, maraming hearts. Yan ang mga hinahabol ng mga tao ngayon. Dahil, of course, normal sa isang tao, sa human being, gusto nila ng attention. So, mas lalo na emphasize or na-exage yung attention seeking dahil sa social media. Unless you're in a business, of course, you are seeking attention dahil nasa business ka. Pero kapag personal lang naman, medyo na-apekto ng mental health natin. Diyan nati-trigger yung emotion natin kasi pag konti nag-like or wala nag-like o wala nag-react. So nati-trigger emotion, nalulungkot tayo hanggang di na natin kaya, nagtatampo na tayo hanggang sa nade-depress na tayo. Sabihin natin sa sarili natin, wala na nagmamahal sa akin, hindi na ako gusto, gano'n. So may self-pity na. Yan, the modern lifestyle ngayon, connected yung social media. So laki ng impact. So dapat talaga kaya i-handle natin emotions, and ang social media dapat it's only a tool for fun or tool for entertainment or a tool kung you're in a business, it's a tool, not hindi yung nakasalalay na yung buong buhay mo or oras mo sa social media. To take care of your mental well-being, number one, prayer. Kailangan daily ka mag-pray. Yan, napaka-importante yan sa ating well-being and sa spiritual life natin. So kapag nagpe-pray ka kasi na ikaw ay yung heart mo nagiginhawaan, and dahil alam mo na meron kang kakapitan na faithful sa atin. So napaka-importante ng prayer. And second is exercise. Kailangan natin mag-exercise. So kung alam niyo yung Empower Life Elevate, yan. Pwede tayo mag-join doon. Meron ng mga ganun na to motivate you to maging fit ka. Kasi exercise, napakaganda ng effect sa ating katawan, pati sa mind. Di ba, pa nag-jogging tayo, after natin mag-jogging, mag-basketball, or any sports activities, di ba, masaya tayo. Yes. May energy tayo, ganun. So, napaka-importante ng fitness, exercise, do daily exercise. Kaya na mga simple lang, jogging lang, walk, or push-up, sit-up, kung ano yung mga, basta kumilos sa katawan, very important yan para sa mental health natin and well-being natin. And ano pa, exercise, read good books. Read good books, watch right videos, mga magandang videos, motivational videos, educational videos. Yan, panoodin niyo yung YouTube ko, Ricky Avellino. Or Avellino din, dyan din, maraming mga thoughts din dyan. So, yun, Eridanos na business partners, nandyan din mga positive. Yan, okay, ano pa ba? And right people, sumama sa mga right people. Kasi kapag positive ang mga kasama mo lagi, pati ikaw napapositive na rin. Kapag negative, dadamay ka na rin. Puro problema lang na pinag-usapan nyo, naiisip nyo. Nag-overthink na rin kayo pare-pareho hanggang pare-pareho na kayong depressed. Sometimes kung mahina ka, hindi ka depressed pero kausap mo depressed or negative, mahawa ka pati ikaw, galit na sa mundo. Galit ka na sa trabaho, galit ka na sa kasama mo, sa asawa mo or girlfriend mo, jowa mo. Dahil very negative ang mundo. So, right people, sumama ka sa mga positive-minded, with positive mindset.
Yun. So, last question po is, what message would you give to someone silently struggling right now?
I message, pray, attend the church, attend service. And so, yan lang, right person, right-minded person, do daily exercise, yun yung kanina. So, kailangan natin, and huwag tayo mag-overthink. Pause for a while, kasi there's time for everything. Minsan pag masyadong busy ka rin, di na kaya ng utak. So, kailangan mag-pause and think, and magkape, mag-coffee ka, and yun. Laging tatandaan, Avelinos, humility is power. God bless everyone. Be great. Bye-bye.